MetaTrader 4 winning forex trading strategy. This strategy is really meant for MetaTrader 4 forex brokers and not meant for MetaTrader 5 forex brokers. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. You cannot use this on derived platform. We have a lot of best forex broker outside there. Make sure you register an account with them and open a demo account to try out your strategy, either your paid indicator, paid strategy, or free strategy, either free forex indicator. Make sure you try it out on demo account on a regulated forex brokers. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so and do give me a thumb up. Do turn on your notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning forex trading strategy, either for MetaTrader 4 brokers or MetaTrader 5 brokers. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. This is No-Repainting forex trading strategy, and the fact that it's not repainting does not make it 100% accurate. Make sure you follow money management and trade what you see, not what you think. Make sure you use stop loss as you trade. Now let's move on to today's strategy. As I show you how to use this indicator, I have combined two indicators together for this winning forex trading strategy for MetaTrader 4 forex brokers. So I have this indicator, this magenta color, and this white colored indicator, and I have this magenta arrow and this white arrow indicators. Now how to use this is very simple. I would not like to keep this video very long. Now each time you see the arrow, make sure you wait for the white line, this channel, to turn to white for a buy, and each time you see this magenta arrow, wait for the channel indicator to turn to magenta before you place your trade. Do not trade any of these indicator in isolation. Make sure the two indicators are in agreement before you place your trade. At this particular point, we have this arrow that does not repaint, and this white do not repaint also. So at this particular point that we have the arrow, this still remain the magenta color until this particular point that we have the two line in agreement. It did turn to white. So this is the right point for us to place our trade, and you can put your stop loss few pips below the previous low or just below this channel, but it is better you put it below the previous low here and allow the market to breathe. And here we have the market giving us a good profit. This did give us another magenta arrow here, but the channel indicator remain white, so we remain in this particular trade until this particular point. Again, you can add to your running trade. This particular strategy can be used on any forex pairs you want to trade, and it can be used on any time frame. And for a sell, we have this magenta arrow here. This turn to magenta here. Until this point, we have the second indicator confirm this signal, and we did have a profit here also. And this is how to use this particular strategy. You can use it on any forex pair you want. You can use it on crypto pairs. You can use it on indices, either Nasdaq, US 30, and the rest. This can be used on metal like gold, silver, and the rest. You can use it on forex pairs. Just make sure you follow the simple rules. The download links to all the indicators I use for this particular strategy is in the video description. make sure you download it, and I did include my template so that you have the same thing like mine. I do not want to go over it showing you my setting. Just use my template and then you have the same chart like mine. If you like, you can play with the setting, but when you use my template, you have the same chart like mine. Make sure you check Forex Factory before you place any trade. If there's any currency that do have news that may likely affect your trading, please stay away from that particular pairs and trade another pairs. If there's any major news, you can stay away completely from that particular pairs for the day, since you have alternative pairs to pick from. Do make sure you check Forex Factory or other Forex news aggregator that you know. I do use Forex Factory and it is free. Make sure you trade on regulated Forex broker. We have a lot of top Forex brokers outside there. Make sure you open an account with them and try your strategy on demo account before you go live. Do not waste your hard-earned money without practice. Treat this as a business and not as a gambling game. Make sure you analyze the market, follow money management, and you will be good. No strategy is 100% accurate. Do make sure you follow money management. Let's check it on another pair, and here is it on the Great Britain pounds Japanese yen on 15-minute time frame. It is still the same methodology. We have the aqua color here. It did change here. Then we have a good ride. We have a buy signal here, white arrow. It did turn to white at this particular point, so we are going to lose this particular trade. And few candle after, we have this arrow indicator here. It did change to magenta at this particular point. Then you make money trading this particular strategy. As I said, the download link to all the indicators I use for this particular strategy is in the video description. And in my video description, I did drop some links to some of these regulated Forex brokers. You can open an account with any of the brokers you like. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow Forex trader, Joe, and bye for now.